Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Sephora credit card online. Watch the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your credit card for Sephora, open up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in d.community.net/Sephora and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you end up in this page, go ahead and select your card you would like to log in with. You can select between Sephora Visa or Sephora card. Go ahead and make your selection. I'm going to choose the first option, and soon after you do that, you'll be taken to a next page. Click on the sign in button from the top of the screen, and in the login area appearing on the right hand side of the screen, you can go ahead and enter your credentials for your Sephora credit card. Enter your username in the first text box and then type in your password on the next field. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on this Need Online Access Register Now link and follow through the on-screen prompts. After typing in your credential, if you'd like the system to remember your credential, check this Remember Me box beneath. Leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. If you don't remember your credential, you can click on Forgot Username/Password link and follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, after typing in your credential, click the sign in button and you'll be able to log in and access your Sephora credit card online. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.